Hello everyone, it's Jem from MPX AUTOS here. How are you? In this video, I would like to share how many cable in the car, which is the ISUZU DMAX 2017. This one is in the generation 2015 and 2018. So it comes with the factory radio and screen like this. And if you want to know how to remove it, just look up at the now the video that we have in our channel. So this one already been removed, and now we can pull it out and start counting all the wiring behind. So basically on the top of that thing we have several connector. Okay, so this one is for the top emergency flash, so it is not connected to the head unit directly. So here is all of the connector for the head unit, which we count from here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and another 1 2 3 there. So actually in total you have 9. Okay, you have 9 connector at the back end of that head unit, 9 of them. Okay, so that's the one, and this one is the main cable, other one other function cable. So here you go, MPX 2017 ISUZU. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.